Welcome all children. Hope you all are safe. As earlier we have done the topic packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structure, which is coming out to be 74%. Today the topic we'll be discussing is the packing efficiency in BCC structure, that is body centered cubic structure. As you know, in BCC structures, the atoms are arranged at the corners and one at the center of the body. So, if this is the BCC structure, then in this you can see that the atoms are arranged at the 8 corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one atom is present at the center of the body, that is this one you can see. So you can see along this or the atom at the center touches the other two atoms which are diagonally arranged. These atoms are diagonally arranged, so the atom at the center touches the other two atoms that are diagonally arranged. Now you look here in triangle EFD. EFD. Here this will be the hypotenuse, B face diagonal, and EF and ED. This one is the height and this is the base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is B square, is equals to height square, that is A square, plus base square, that is A square. So B square is equals to A square plus A square. That is B square is equals to A square plus A square is equals to 2A square. So B face diagonal B is coming out to be root 2A. Now we'll move to this triangle. Triangle AFD. AFD. AF is the hypotenuse, AD and FD are the other two sides. It means here AF is equals to C and AD is equals to A and FD is equals to B. So C square is equals to A square plus B square. That is what written in triangle AFD. C square is equals to A square is equals to plus B square. A square plus B square, which is equals to, now earlier we have find out B is equals to root 2. So we'll put the value of B in this. So A square plus root 2A square is equals to A square plus 2A square is equals to 3A square. So C square is equals to 3A square. So we'll take the square root of this. So root 3A. So C is equals to root 3A. Now you can see here this AF, which is equals to C. It is the length of the body diagonal, and we'll find out its value in the same way we have find out in the case of HCP and CCP. So you find out the number of circles or spheres over here. So if it is a circle, if you consider it like a circle, then it is the radius, it is the diameter of second one. So diameter is equals to 2r, and of the third sphere it is again r. So r plus 2r plus r is equals to 4. It means C is equals to 4r. C is equals to length of the body diagonal. It is the body diagonal. It is equals to 4r, and C is equals to root 3a also, which says that C is equals to C is equals to root 3A is equals to 4R. So by this we can find out the value of A. Root 3 is equals to 4R. So A is equals to 4R upon root 3. And what will be the value of R? Root 3 will go up and 4 will come down. Root 3A upon 4. This is the value of R. Now, in BCC, this we have already find out earlier. Number of atoms in body centered is equals to 2. So, the volume. So, the volume as the atoms are in the form of spheres. So, there are total how many? How many atoms? 2. So, total volume of the spheres or the total number of atoms, if it is 2, then the volume will be equals to 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere. So 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube, as this is a cube, as this structure is a cube. So the volume of cube is equals to A cube, is which, and the value of A is coming out to be this one, 4R upon root 3. So 4R upon root 3 whole cube. So A cube is equals to 4 upon root 3R whole cube. And this formula we have done earlier also. Packing efficiency is equals to, in case of HCP, it is a volume occupied by 4 spheres. And in case of BCC, it is volume occupied by 2 sphere, as there are 2 atoms in BCC unit cell. So volume occupied by 2 spheres in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell. Unit cell is a cube, so it is A cube into 100%. Into 100%. So it is coming out to be 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Putting the value of A cube here, this is this. The value comes out to be 68%. It means the packing efficiency of BCC structure is 68%. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.